Good afternoon from Torre del Colle, Italy. It is hot summertime in Europe, and Nellie and I are here for one whole week helping a couple friends of mine develop a video and some image content for their small business. And they run a particularly very cool small business, and we're going to introduce that and them in this video, and all that starts right now. Let's go. So this is the perfect time to introduce Daniele and Laura. They are the two that run Greenways Italy, which is why Nellie and I are here. I've known Laura for a long time, but I've just met Daniele, and their story is amazing. Their company is amazing. I love the whole idea of what you guys are doing here. So with that said, let's share with the viewers who's watching, like how your small business came about, you know, what you guys are doing here in Umbria, and yeah, tell us more about Greenways.
Yeah, me and Daniele met a few years ago working together. We used to lead tours for the same company that me and Greg work in South America. So it's a Canadian tour company. And we used to run a cycling tour together. So we got the idea of creating daily experiences where we combine some culture, some active fun, and some gastronomic experiences.
Nice, great. So those are the tours, I guess. Daniele, can you tell me a little bit more about like why are you doing it?
We just want to share our culture with people coming over here. What we have here to share is food, wine, good wine,
in Italy,
excellent wine,
Yes.
and olive oil, and art, you know, and the historical aspect of this area. And we want to combine these with a bicycle.
Nice.
Simple bicycle, 2 wheels, just going around, and just to have like a low impact to the environmental.
I think like for the whole idea of what the company is and what you do, that's like you hit it. That's great. But why do you feel like you needed content? So like a lot of the people watching this video are video producers or photographers, and some of them are selling their content to businesses like you guys, and some are trying, but like maybe give us an idea from the perspective of the small business owner why you need video to market your business and why you need images.
Well, it's very simple to answer because we just want to tell this story. We want to share this story through images. you
Right,
know,
the story
and
of the experience.
The story of the experiences
Okay.
of just coming here and doing these bike tours, and what's the best way than with a video.
Yeah, and also we have a good experience of creating tours and running tours, but we lack a little bit of experience in the digital marketing production. So that's why I thought about calling you, Greg, and Nellie to help us out in the video production, but also to give us tips and information of how to run the marketing strategies on a daily basis.
Yeah,
let's
fantastic.
say.
So sort of like social media marketing,
Yeah.
which I think a lot of you know that's what Nellie does on the side. That's her two jobs. So that's really cool. I think this is a really good example of two people that have a really innovative and fresh business, a lot of passion and energy going into what you do. And they're looking for people like us to provide video content and photographs to help market the experience, tell the story. And there's so many opportunities of exactly like what you're doing here for people like them to go out in your community and to try and find small businesses that might be interested in assisting you get work, and this is a perfect example of that.
See, but also if I may add something, it's just like you can be also like a good storyteller. I mean, in this case, us, running these tours, but you need someone else to actually just tell the story the way you want. You need a third part, you need the help from, someone else just coming over here and just, put all these things together.
Yeah.
You can't do everything by yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. That's very true. So that's really cool. I've got a ton of amazing footage from today and from yesterday, and we've still got another 3 days here. We're in this little tiny town called Torre del Colle.
Torre del Colle.
Yes.
If you don't know where that is, look it up. It's amazing, absolutely incredible place in Umbria, in the hills.
Umbria, yeah.
And
Italy.
yeah, the weather right now.
The green heart
is
of Italy.
Yeah, okay.
It's called the green heart of Italy.
Yeah, fantastic, cool. I think a lot of people watching this have been to Italy before, I'm sure. It is super photogenic, and we've got, some great content. So let's jump back on the bikes and we'll share a lot of what we've already shot, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video because we are still here in Italy for another 4 days, I think.
Yeah.
And what are we doing tomorrow?
We're gonna ride to Bevagna first, and then we're gonna ride through the valley. Most probably go right into Spello.
Yeah.
And then back here around this area, we're gonna stop in a beautiful place. Have
Lunch and the swimming pool.
Way. Oh,
so
the weather like
it's
this.
a good plan.
Perfect. So as always, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Greenways Italy. I'll link it in the description, and stay tuned for the video that'll be on their channels really, really soon. But yeah, we will see you on the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.